everyone. So we'll be solving the biweekly contest 116 of Leetcode. So let us go through the first problem. So the question state is that you are given a zero indexed integer array nums. The distinct count of a subarray of nums is defined as nums of I to j be a subarray where all the indices I to j follows this condition, and the given number of distinct values is nums of I j is called a distinct count of nums of I and j. So return the sum of square of distinct count of all the subarrays. Okay, and you know what a subarray is, right? All right. So what is the question actually state is that we have been given a nums, that is an array, okay, and we have to generate all its sub arrays and count the distinct element in each sub arrays, right? And at the end of it, we have to return the sum of square of all the distinct counts. Okay, so the when, for example, if we have one, okay, so I'll be explaining what a subarray is first. So let us say that we have 1 2 1 as an input, right? So what are the subarrays that can be generated in here? So that will be 1 2 1 and 1 2 1 1, right? Like that. Okay, so that is the thing, and it will be generating for three size, will be generating six sub arrays: 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right. So uh, at the end of which, so these are the sub arrays, and for example, one has one distinct value, one again has one distinct value, 1 2 has two distinct values, right? And 1 2 1 has two distinct values again. So we have to return the square of sum of square of all these terms. So when we go through the constraints, it's only till 100, so we can have a brute force solution to this. So I'll what I've done is, for storing the distinct, the keyword itself is a big hint that we have to use a set or a map. So I'll be using unordered set for lesser time complexity. So we can use a set to store the distinct count of elements, and we can easily generate the subarrays using two loops, right? So this is the code. If nums.size is 1, I can just return a 1, that is the distinct subarray, sorry, distinct count. And we can just run two loops by generating the subarray. And this is the set that I'm taking, and I'm pushing in all the values from I to j range, and at the end of which I can just square those two terms, square its size, and keep it in my answer and return my answer. So I hope you're clear with the solution. Thank you.